All right, so welcome to Tsunami FX. I'm going to show you the $1,000 weekly trading system, and you can please subscribe, like this video for more, and it's going to be very impactful. I'm going to go straight to the point, and you're going to learn a lot. Most especially if you're a forex trader, you've not made $1,000 before, you've not make any good amount of money from the forex market. I will show you step by step guide and everything. So first of all, what I want you to do is like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends so that they'll come and join this channel. First of all, the next thing I will share with you is this. The $1,000 guarantee depending on your capital. So what I'll be sharing works maybe for some people you make $100, for some people you make $200, for some people you make $50, some people you make $10, depending on what you have to put into the market. So maybe if you have a capital base of $5,000 or $10,000 or maybe $2,000, you can maybe able to do this $10,000, do this $1,000. But if you have less than that, you might not be able to achieve that goal because it will be you flipping ridiculously, which will take a lot of risks and effort. So, but to stick with this, you need a very good capital if you want this. But in case you don't have, you can start with $100 and make 30, $50 out of it like that. So how does this work? Now, it's going to be a trend following strategy. All right, it's a trend following strategy. It's a very simple system. Very, very simple system. Now, if you go to your chart, we have two types. We have three major types of trend. We have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the sideways market. Now, these are the three types of trend. We have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the sideways market. So once you go to your chart, you're going to be always seeing something like this. You see something like this, okay, like this, like this, like this. So once you see something like this, you now realize that, sorry, once you see something like this, you now realize they will not tell you that this is an uptrend. You know that this is an uptrend, right? Where here is the higher high. Okay, let me do something. Okay, let's use this please. Here will be the what we call higher high, and here will be the higher high. And once you clone this, okay, sorry, here will be the higher high. Then down here will be higher low, higher low. So higher high again, you higher low, higher high, higher low. So that's how you know an uptrend. So you now have what we call again a downtrend. A downtrend normally starts like this. Forgive my drawings. You now have something like this, like this, like this, like this, which is series of lower lows and lower high, right? Lower lows and lower high, lower lows and lower high, like that. Now, how does this particular system works? Let me see if I can arrange this a little bit. Let me see. This one should be a little bit down. This one a little bit down. Okay, we now have a very good downtrend. All right, so you can now have something like this again, like this, 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 and like this. So this is a sideways market, right? This is a sideways market. And how does this system work? The system is simple. Market is supposed to be going this way. That is the structure of the market. That's how the market is supposed to be. There's nothing like market goes up and the market is not scattered. The market is structured. The market has a proper way it's supposed to follow. But in case the market is not following that way, in case the market is not doing like this, it should be doing this way, this downtrend. If it's not going down, it should be going sideways. All right. Now, see the way we trade this strategy. Anytime the market goes up, it forms a higher high, higher low. Higher thing, it forms it like this. You mark that this place as the last higher, as the last higher low that market has created. All right. Let me shift this a bit. I'm trying to shift the whole drawing. Okay. Now, once this market has tested this place, it's supposed to break here. Now, it tested this place and broke this place, which is the higher high. Now, look at it. It will break here like this. Then what you are expecting this market to do now is to retrace. Okay, sorry. Is to retrace to it. Okay, the drawing tool is stressful. Is to retrace to somewhere here and turn back up. You understand? That's what we are expecting the market to do. All right. Now, but most times in this strategy, what you notice that the market will come and take out this down. The market will come, sweep this place. After it's done sweeping this place, it will the market will now pick from here again. The, oh, okay, let's do like this. The market will sweep this place. You see something like this. The market sweep this place. The market will now turn and go and take out this same up again. Now, knowing fully well that the market is still maintaining the trend, it will sweep here. Are you getting it? It will create a sweep here. It will break here, create a sweep here, come back again and sweep this place. Immediately sweep this place. You will now be waiting for the market to come back and mitigate the sweep here. Now, let me show you something. I'm going to do this video in parts, all right? So that you will see an order, a supply and demand area here, all right? Maybe I'll explain those one some other time. You see a supply and demand area here. So the market, after sweeping this place, will surely come down. Okay, the market after sweeping this place will come down from here down to this place. Are you seeing it now? The market will come down to this place, and immediately it comes to inside the other block or supply and demand area there. It will now reverse again and go like this. So once that happens, your entry will be somewhere here. Okay, so I'll just focus on this example. Then in the next video, I'll share another example. Your entry will be here. Then you see, you just get your clean 1:5. Now, what we'll call here is liquidity. We'll call here liquidity. Now, we'll now call here we'll call here liquidity. And after I came and pick liquidity, you now break this structure. All right. Once you violate this order, you now wait for it to break structure. If it's breaking structure, it's going to start from here. You call here BOS, break of structure. Then the last candle, the last bearish candle before this pull up that broke this one, you now call it you name it your demand area. Here will now become your demand area. All right. Then once it comes back, mitigates it, it takes it and boom, you're good. So this is the system you will use. If you use this system has more than 50% win rate. All right, is applicable to any kind of strategies, any kind of peer, anything. Is It's very powerful. This is a system that is not rampant. Nobody will tell you, but this particular system I've tested it, backtested it on gold, Euro USD, AUD card, AUD JPYs, a lot of systems, and it works. Just get just three confluences: your liquidity sweep in line with the trend, your break of structure, your retest to the demand area. Then you put your you put place your trade and watch it get deliver 1:2, 1:3, 1:5, depending on where your your previous higher high is. So the same thing with the downtrend. Are you getting it? The same thing with the downtrend. Same thing with the sideways market. Now, one good thing with this strategy is that any form of time frame, any kind of time frame, you can trade it. Any kind of time frame. For example, for this sideways market, once it's going, it's creating equals like this. It's busy creating equals. It's busy creating equals, equal highs and equal lows. Busy creating equal highs and equal lows, equal highs and equal lows, equal highs and equal lows. All right. So what you're going to notice is that there's going to be a sweep of one of these low. So you're going to notice something like this. Market will come and take out one. After market takes out one of the lows, then this is what market will do. Market will now go up straight. Are you seeing it? After it goes up, break this one, sweep one, broke this one. Then what you now notice again is that market will now come down. Sorry. What you notice that market will come down from here to this place again before market will now finally change direction to the upside. All right. So how are we going to enter this? Now you notice this is the upside. Market broke. This will be our break of structure. Here will be our liquidity, and of course, somewhere around here, the last candle will be our demand area. Then you're now going to put your reward to, and just maybe target 1:3. So this is how this one works. In a sideways market, you can still benefit. In a long term, in a downtrend, you can still benefit. Let me see if I can show you how you implement this in a downtrend. Now, if you have $1,000 and you're catching you're getting 1:3, 1:4, and you consistent at it. Maybe you lose $100 out of your $1,000. You lose because the strategy is just at least 60%, 70% win rate. You lose three and you win seven trades. If you take 10 trades in a week, you lose three and you win seven. Are you getting it? If you win seven, that's seven times three. All right, 14. 7 times 3, 14, plus 7, that is 21. You make it 2,100. Why you are getting it? You are just having $1,000 and you have made another $1,000 with the same strategy. All right. With upcoming videos, I'll be showing you time frames, multiple time frame analysis, risk management, psychology behind this. I will show you is a very powerful system. It has been working. It will keep working. At least for now, for a long period of time, it has been working. So for this downtrend, what you notice is that market keep going up, I getting lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high like that. Then what you now notice is that market will come and okay, let me keep this here. Market from here. Okay, let's get this. Market will from here and come and break something here like this. And most times it's not much, it will be a little bit. After breaking it, market will market will come back and break it. After breaks it, market will still come and retest to the spot. So you now have your liquidity grab here. You now have your break of structure here. Then you now have your demand supply zone here. Then you now short from there. If you short from here, once you short, you set your reward to target 2 to 3, 2 to 5, 3 to 4, like that, and you're done. So this system will work for you weekly and you're going to cash out. I will show you more of this All right, but this system works. This system works. In case you've been looking for a trading system, you're thinking, forex is not for me, forex is stressful, etc., etc. Just get this, go and back test this on your chart. I will show you in my next video live. I will show you live charts of how this works. All right. So thank you and see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video for anybody that is into forex. They will need it.